Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do taskbar customization on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, just right click on your taskbar and make sure your taskbar is not locked. Make sure this is not checked. And after that, what you need to do is hide search bar and news. Right click on it again, go to search bar, make sure it's hidden. Right click on it again, just go to news and interest. Just make sure you to turn this off. And after that, right click on it again, go to tools bar and turn on links, and you'll see links here. After that, what you need to do is you can track links to all the way here, and after that, if you can, just drag it all the way to this side right here. Then what you can do is just right click on the link. From here, click on show task button, just uncheck this, and after that, what you can do is right click on links again and just uncheck show title. Right click on it again, uncheck show test, and after that, just drag all the icon to wherever you want on the taskbar. You can set it up in the middle. It will look much more modern this way. Just judge and put it in the middle, and after that, you can lock the taskbar again, as you can see right here. And the last thing you can do is remove all the system icons. To do this, what you need to do is right click on the taskbar, then just go to the taskbar settings. From here, scroll down and just go to turn system icons to on and off. And from here, just turn all the icons off. And there you go. Now this will give you a much more modern aesthetic look, and you can change it based on your requirements. And basically that is how to do taskbar customization on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.